Alrighty, we are all packed up and ready to go. Peter is done with his work day, and step one of our road trip to Michigan is underway. We are dropping Evie off at Christina and Grant's. Alrighty, the baby is snoozing. Our other stop before getting on the road was 7-Eleven for these Goose Island Bourbon County brand stout. Acting like I know what it even is. So that is a special Goose Island beer that they put in bourbon barrels to soak up the flavor of that. Ooh. And they only make a certain amount every year. So that's 7-Eleven. Not the most ideal place to get them, but I knew they had them, and they had one more bottle. I took their last bottle to 2020, and the rest were 2017. So I'm actually interested. My buddy Steve, you know, from Tampa, I think told me like usually it's a two or 3 year is you know, one way of drinking, like aging it that additional 2 or 3 years. So we're kind of getting on that far end. So I'm interested at actually to try the 2020 compared to 2017. We'll have to get to the Erhardts and put them in the fridge. And like maybe after dinner or later today, have them. Yeah, so it's like a little piece of Chicago to share. We've hit some traffic. Yeah, in Indiana. In Indiana. Indiana's, I'm sorry, but it is my least favorite part of the Union. The United States. So I don't think we've vlogged since we got to the Erhardts. Here's the Erhardt men. Okay. And I got Kieran all jazzed because we're gonna go play with the drone a little bit. You excited? Yes. Kieran, you ready to fly this? Is it super cool? Yes. Let's go play. Kieran landed this himself. What do you think? Good. All right, new goal. Kieran, get in here with me. What do you think? So we're staying tonight. Did you know that? Sunday night. Leaving tomorrow night. I think by tomorrow night we can convince your dad to buy a drone. You think so? Okay. You think we can do it? Okay. Let's try. I think he's already sold. He hasn't even flown it yet, and I think he's already sold.
I think he's flown a drone once, and it was like the kid drone, like a toy helicopter.
This is way different than a toy helicopter, Kieran. But I think we're getting pizza soon. And then we're going to convince him to buy a drone.
We're going to go to Silver Beach Pizza.
Have you had Silver Beach Pizza?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
You know we have pizza every Friday, right? Cordelia and James becoming best friends. He's like, wait, Cordelia, look at Daniel the tiger.
Hold your hands.
Oh, so sweet.
Oh my gosh. This is sweet. My heart's exploding. It's the extra hand that she's put on. That's just.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. So the Erhardts have moved into a new house since the last time we visited. And James is getting everybody. We are getting Silver Beach Pizza for Pizza Friday, not Chicago pizza. So we are getting Silver Beach Pizza for dinner. Still Pizza Friday, but just not Chicago pizza. But really good pizza in St. Joe's. They have great appetizers and a whole bunch of different kinds of pizzas. What? Irish soda bread, baby? What do you think?
Delicious. Did you take a big piece? Katrina's teaching me what a spirograph is, which I had no idea what it was.
And you grab this or this. I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, this is fancy.
And then you put it in and attach it to right there. Then you grab whatever color you want and then make it. You can also switch the color.
Does it shake or does it just go in the ridges?
You just like put it in the holes and then redraw.
Wow.
It's not even drawn there.
There it goes. That's fancy.
Okay, I'm assuming these are appetizers. Woo, wings. What kind of wings did we get?
We got barbecue and we got sriracha honey.
Ooh, those look delicious. Taste test. Ooh, I think these are called Irish fries. Looks like bacon, cheese, chives. And there's spears. They call these frickles. There's marinara dipping and ranch. Looks like cheese, pepper, onions, and sausage. What's this one?
Pepperoni mushroom.
Yum. This is coffee ice cream. Ooh, Maxwell Island fudge. Strawberry.
And
What is this?
stars. I don't remember, but I think
Ooh, that looks like
there
it's
are
at
little
night, yeah.
stars in there too. If you see.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well the kids have ice cream. Are you having ice cream? Ben and I are gonna go fly the drone before the sun goes down.
He's gonna have ice cream.
Ooh. Ben's getting some sunset shots right now. The kids are loving it. Oh, look at that!
I was just told that I have to go outside because the drone disconnected. Are you joking with me?
For about 10 seconds, the screen was black, and we didn't know where it was. And it's like when it came back, it has a return to home setting, so like it started to do its best to come back to us. And then it got to a point where it reconnected. But it was looking scary for a second.
It was like
We're coming
20, 30 seconds.
We're coming home. It's really windy.
Oh gosh.
Lesson learned, Ben and I got way too excited and overzealous. The drone, we lost connection twice, and then the drone ran out of battery because it was going against strong winds and had to emergency land. And we emergency land in a parking lot that we don't know if it's public or not. But the cool thing about the DJI app, it keeps track of where it landed, and it's now got us in the Maps app. And we're gonna go see if this is
Let's just
salvageable.
run away from the police.
It looks like it is.
All right, we got it. Look at that. And I started the flashing and beeping. Yes.
Success. Look at it just quivering in the wind.
Yeah. Woo. We got it. We did it.
Oh no, it's about to self-destruct.
Look at this beautiful statue of the Holy Family right above the Holy Book Stack. Check this out. Just like in an Erhardt vacation to Disney parks and resorts, it's 12:17 in the morning, and the parents are all still awake. We're about to go to bed. We're getting up early to go to breakfast. Who's a little sleepy baby? Who's a little sleepy baby? Erhardts lent us a really cool pack and play that's actually the same brand as our car seat. Brand loyalty. Sponsor us. I have been riding this anxious relief high all night because Ben and I almost lost our drone 3 times.
No, it's called Thrice.
We almost lost our drone thrice. We lost signal twice. And it literally
I thought it was a joke.
It literally emergency landed in a random parking lot. And I was like, Ben, if that's not a public parking lot, I am going to hop the fence.
Well,
It all worked out.
yeah.
Tonight's
We have a fun day planned tomorrow.
Yeah, tonight's vlog is actually sponsored by hashtag Kieran's Room. He's giving us his room for the night.
Isn't that kind of him?
It is. He's got some Harry Potter books over there. A really
Some
cool globe.
Legos.
A lot of really cool Legos. And a sleeping baby.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
I mean, can it get any better than a late night after I hang out with the Erhardts?
Heart to Hearts, we call it. Good night, Erhardts, Brookhart.
Good night.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.